981, Echo with Lima, request taxi right down with departure.
Skyhawk 981, Republic ground, runway 32, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 1, and right down when I'm requested.
32 via Alpha, cross runway 1, 981, thank you.
That was us, right?
Okay, good. Now,
let me ask you, the thing can hear us or no?
what?
The video can hear us or no?
Yeah.
Okay. The Gulfstream northbound on runway 1.
Taxi behind the Gulfstream, I have it inside, 981. We 1,700 feet.
Obviously, I mean, just to use what you told me, obviously we're climbing, right? Because...
Yeah. This is altitude, you see altimeter.
Yeah.
So now we're 1,900 feet. Small one is 1,000, this one is 100.
Yeah.
Cessna 138, you're following at Cessna, 2 mile right there. 138, we're looking.
We now 2,000 feet, and we continue climbing. This is the Long Island Expressway to Manhattan.
Which one? This one?
The highway.
This big one?
Yeah.
They all look small from here.
LA, Long Island Expressway.
5 Dublin is clear to the north. 5 Dublin up in Chamber. 5 Dublin. Cessna 138 is the guy just passing our wing.
Flying good. No, you see the nose high?
Yeah.
So,
Oh,
down. So down. One hand, only left hand. Now you're descending, you see?
A little bit.
Yeah, so, up, back to the standard distance below horizon and you're okay. So you're flying straight and level. Don't forget to enjoy the view. Look how much nice around you.
I know, it's alright.
So look also. Look, enjoy the view.
Gorgeous, amazing.
Okay, now listen. You see the nose of the airplane?
Yes.
And you see the horizon?
Yes.
Okay. And you see, so this is the distance. This is the distance that you have to keep the nose below horizon. If you keep it this distance below horizon, you hold in your altitude. It is mean you're flying level flight. With the time, you will get used to it, how to adjust the distance below horizon. But this is approximately, look, try to remember the distance. So from now, we're going to call this situation as standard.
Okay.
It means the nose is standard way below the horizon. Now, if it's above standard, it means the nose is high.
It means you're climbing.
Okay, so look when the nose is climbing, so the nose approaching and close to the horizon, more and more and more. Right now, if you see something like that, you understand the airplane is climbing, and here we're climbing. Okay, so if you don't want it, so pull the nose down,
Right.
push it down. And this is the distance that you want.
Right.
And let's see opposite side. Let's say if the nose is too much below horizon,
Right.
like this. What is mean for you? Airplane
going
is
down.
descending.
Descending.
Okay? So that's it. So you recognize that.
So you pull it all back.
So you pull it back to the standard, to the normal distance below horizon. And that way you keep your altitude. Okay? So it is very important that you're using this method and not instrument. Because when you flying with reference with outside horizon, you get feeling of the airplane, and it is very important for pilot to feel what the airplane doing. And you can do it only with reference to outside horizon. It is mean the outside horizon, it is your most important instrument that you have to use. That's why ignore inside instrument. Okay? You can, if you want, for 1 second, make sure that you're flying in your altitude. You're keeping your altitude. You're maintaining your heading. 1 second, and then outside again. Okay?
Basically, you could just
90% from your flight time, you have to look outside to the horizon. Also look to enjoy the view. Look, is no other traffic around you. And use horizon.
Break it? No. 91 report.
ABC.
And left turn to maybe Alpha.
Yeah, I'm on the airport.
That's right now, no, right now.